I am really excited about this new SOP that'll be found on all the CWT tables. This one provides step-by-step instruction on the standard procedure of applying a face to a substrate. The QR code is placed on the handles of the tables, providing the answer to where the question may arise. Simply scan the code with your device and it will take you to the digital SOP. This one contains a video demo of this operation. On your device, simply press the frame the video is contained in and it will open the video. Hit the play icon and the video will play in full screen. You can return to the digital document at any time. I have to give a raving fan to Tom and Gembadocs for providing a simple way of creating and sharing SOPs through our organization. Thanks so much.